The Circle Trackpad Dev Kit from Cirque comes with a startup guide, a 35 and a 23mm Circle Trackpad, and a dev board with Teensy 4.0 Arduino module. The kit provides a module holder, a USB cable, and two 6-pin flat flex cables to help you get up and running quickly. First, we will snap the module holders into the dev board by aligning the PCB mounting holes to the module holder snap posts. Take the larger sensor tray and snap it onto the side with the 3 buttons. The smaller module holder will snap on the opposite side near the Teensy Arduino module. Next, you will insert the flat flex cable to each of the Circle trackpads. Note that the flat flex cable has 2 sides, one with the exposed 6 pins and a blue strip on the opposite side. Insert the cable so that the blue strip is facing in towards the center of the trackpad. Be careful not to bend or damage the cable while inserting. Press down on the cable lock to secure the cable into the trackpad. Once you have the flat flex cable connected to the Circle trackpads, slide each of these trackpads into their module slots. Note that there are flat sides on the Circle trackpads, which will be the orientation to slide them into the module for a proper fit. The 6-pin connector and flat flex cable should face the inner part of the module holder. You should feel the trackpads snap into place. Now, connect the flat flex cable to the dev board 6-pin connector. The blue strip should face in towards the dev board. Press down on the cable lock and secure the cable to the 6-pin connector. Finally, plug the USB cable to the Teensy Arduino module, and you'll be ready to start working with code. Watch our next video that details how to download and start working with our code on GitHub. Visit Cirque's website for full user manual, links on setting up the Arduino environment, and for sample code to connect to the trackpad.